A very good morning to our respected CA sir, teachers, and my dear students. I, on behalf of West Point School, would like to welcome you all to the final round of quiz competition for juniors. A quiz is a form of game or mind sport in which players attempt to answer questions correctly about a certain or variety of subjects. Quizzes can be used as a brief assessment in education and similar fields to measure growth in knowledge, abilities, or skills. They can also be televised for entertainment purposes, often in a game show format. Further on, I would like to introduce to you all the members of our quiz team. On tabulation, we have Sir Rajiv and Sir Premdeep. For technical assistance, we have Sir Raja, Sir Bhupendra, and Suchit from Class 12 Science. The quiz master for today is Sir Akshay Tamang. Finally, I would like to introduce the various quiz team from our junior section. In Team A, we have Ahana Tamang from Class 1, Arnav Tamang from Class 2, Sangdup Tamang from Class 3, Pragya Rai from Class 4, Arushi Tamang from Class 5. In Team B, we have Pema D. Sherpa from Class 1, Sherab Sherpa from Class 2, Pragyan Rana from Class 3, Shreya Das Gupta from Class 4, and Mohammad Motasin from Class 5. In Team C, we have Utkarsh Gajmer from Class 1, Navya Mukhya from Class 2, Ayub Vujel from Class 3, Kelsang Tamang from Class 4, and Prisha Subba from Class 5. Now, I would request our Administrator Sir to declare our online quiz competition open. Further, I would like to hand over the program to our quiz master, Sir Akshay Tamang.
Team would be given a set of questions for each round, consisting of 8 questions. For juniors, it's 6 questions per round. Each team will have 6 questions. Please note, the question asked in each round will be based on the type of round it belongs to. Third, timing is 10 seconds, very important. It will be given to each team for answer, after which the question automatically will pass on to the next team. Please listen to the question, who is also referred to as the Missile Man of India? Who is also referred to as the Missile Man of India? Your time starts now.
Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Okay, very good. So Team C. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Team C, this is a correct answer. This is a very correct answer, Team C. So this is a direct question, okay? So you get 10 points, that is APJ Abdul Kalam is also referred to as the Missile Man of India, as he was the first president and a very great scientist to launch such a great mission for India's progression and strength. So that is why he is often referred to as the Missile Man of India. So yeah, so he is APJ Abdul Kalam. So Team C receives 10 points. Direct question, 10 points. Okay, very good, Team C. Very good. So the next question passes on to Team B. This is a direct question, Team B. So please listen to the question properly. What is Winnie the Pooh's favorite treat? I think so you all have seen it or you all have read it about Winnie the Pooh. Okay, can you tell me or can you name me what is Winnie the Pooh's favorite treat? So what does Winnie the Pooh, the bear, love? Okay, your time starts now, Team B.
Honey.
Okay. Correct. Correct. Team B. Team B receives 10 more points. That's the correct answer. B, that is honey. The Winnie the Pooh favorite sweet was honey. Okay, very good, Team B. Now we move on to Team A, a direct anti-clockwise question. So that is Team A. This is the question for Team A. Please listen to the question. Which is the biggest animal in the world? Which is the biggest animal in the world? Your time starts now.
Whale.
Your whale. Okay, can you tell me the type of a whale? You have to be specific in this question, okay?
Blue whale.
Okay, very good. Very good. Team A, you two score 10 points. Very good. So the correct answer is blue whale, which is the biggest animal as well as the biggest mammal in the world. So very good, Team A. So it was a wonderful start. It was a wonderful start in the mixed background, and everyone was able to derive something, some points from the mixed background. Okay, so now can we have the points, sir, Premdeep sir, for the first round, that is the mixed background, sir?
I think, so Akshay,
Yes, sir.
I think so. Rajiv will be announcing the points.
Okay,
Oh, okay,
Sir
sir.
Rajiv.
Yes, sir.
so after the first round, Team A scores 10 points, Team B scores 15 points, and the leading team is Team C with 20 points.
Thank you, sir. Okay, very good, Team C. You are in the leading part. Okay, Team B is in a process of giving you a tough battle, and Team A is has already started it. I hope they do much better in the coming rounds. Okay, so with this, we now move on to the second round for today. That is the academic round. So I basically explained to you all regarding the academic round. So this round will also consist of the same type as in the first round. That is, the 3 questions will be in the clockwise and 3 will be in the anti-clockwise. The same part, that is 10 points for a direct question and 5 points for a past question. Timing remains the same, that is 10 seconds. And please remember that from now, that is after the question is asked, you can ask a question, meaning if you do not understand the question, you can generally ask me. I'll be giving you all certain related solutions to it. And then for 10 seconds, you have time to think. Okay, so think and answer, children. So let's start with the academic round. So this is part A, that is the clockwise. Okay, so the first question goes to Team A. Okay, Team A, the question: how many, please listen to the question, how many sides are there in a pentagon? So pentagon is a geometrical design. So how many sides does a pentagon contain? Your time starts now. Team A.
Sir, 5.
Okay, correct. Pragya from Team A answered the question, and the answer is correct. That is 5. Contains 5 sides. Okay, very good, Team A. So Team A gets a direct 10 points. Okay, since they have answered the question, so it won't be passed. So now we come to Team B. Team B, are you all ready, Team B?
Sir. Sir.
Okay. Team B, listen to your question properly. Okay. Who invented Team B, please listen to the question, okay, properly. Who invented the theory of pendulum? Who invented the theory of pendulum? Okay? Who invented? Team B, your time starts now. Team B.
Sir, Christians Huygens.
Can you repeat your answer, Mohammed Gutasim?
Sir, Christians Huygens.
I am very sorry, that's the incorrect answer. Good try. So the question passes on to the next team, that is Team C. So this is a pass question. Team C. I'll be repeating the question once again. Okay? Who invented the theory of pendulum? Your time starts now. Team C. Your time starts now, Team C.
Galileo.
Team C, yes, Prisha?
Sir, Galileo.
Okay, very good. So the Galileo was the one who invented the theory. This is your direct question, Team B. Yeah. It's an American animated, please listen. It's an American animated media franchise and series of comedy short films created in 1940 by William Hanna and Joseph Barben, best known for its 161 theatrical shorts film by Metro Goldwyn Mayer. Name the cartoon series. So you have to name the cartoon series. Your time? Yes? Shut up. Team. Okay, very good. That's the answer. I think so. Sharap watches Tom and Jerry a lot, so he's able to answer in a very quick part. So yeah, that's the correct one. So it's Tom and Jerry. Very good. So Team B receives a direct point of 10 for the audio.
Of thanks, I request our Chief Administrator Sir to say a few words.
Okay, good afternoon, students. I am very happy today to see that this interclass quiz tournament went on to be very successful. I would like to thank all the teachers involved in this activity, and I also would like to congratulate all the students. And like what Mr. Akshay said, everybody is a winner here today. And the main intention or the main objective of hosting this quiz is to learn. Learning never stops. Every day is a learning process. So I am very happy that all the students took part actively in this competition, and we have learned a lot of things, and I also have learned a lot of new things. So this is our objective of doing all these kinds of activities, is to engage our students and to help them learn new things. But also I would like to congratulate for hosting it very interestingly and nicely, okay, and it was well done. It was a very productive and fruitful uh, tournament, and a healthy quizzing tournament.
Sir's help, and also all the teachers. So once again, congratulations to all the teachers and also the participants for making this event a grand success. Thank you so much.
Sir and ma'am. First of all, I, on behalf of the organizing team, would like to thank our Chief Administrator Sir and Principal Ma'am for coming up with this idea of virtual co-curricular activities in this hour of pandemic. Such activities give the students a platform to exhibit their talents. A big thank you to Sir Akshay for helping us with the questions and also for hosting the competition. I express my heartfelt thanks to Sir Rajababu for providing us with the technical assistance. I thank all my dear colleagues. Without their support, the event would not have been successful. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my dear students for participating in the competitions enthusiastically. The event would not have been successful without your presence.